Guys, meet one of our customer. We installed 11 months ago. Okay, we installed 10 panels and a 8.7 kilowatt battery, and he got to say something about see what his bill was and right now what he's paying currently. Ronnie, over to you.
Honestly, it is more than expectations. I was paying 160 pounds a month for my electricity bill, but now it has come down to around 45 to 60 pounds a month. And after, of course, my solar panels are generating way more than what my battery is, but I am giving it back to the grid, which is over extra advantage for me. But yes, my bill has gone down drastically.
Would you show that what was your bill and see if you can have access?
If you see my cost of electricity for the month of 2nd May to 1st June, it's just 60 pounds.
What was that before?
Average up to 150 pounds a month.
Okay, and would you show the app? You look at the system on and stuff?
Yeah, of course I can. If you see this.
Wow.
My battery is 199% charge, and my everything more or less, my home is just consuming very light, which is 0.199, and rest is all going to grid.
Okay, so that was one of our customer. Ronnie, very happy. Thank you so much for your time.